Hey everyone, are you tired of seeing the same old e-bikes everywhere? What if your next ride could be a conversation starter, a thrill machine, or a cargo hauling beast? Today, we're counting down unique electric bikes you can actually find on Amazon, each one breaking the mold in its own way. Let's roll from number 10 to our top pick. Number 10, the social cruiser, OUXI V8 Max. Ever wished your adventure buddy didn't have to pedal behind on their own bike? Imagine this, the open road, a sunset, and your favorite person sharing the seat right there with you. This isn't just a bike, it's a tandem experience for the modern age. The OUXI V8 Max shatters the solo riding norm with its purpose-built two-seater design. It features a large, comfortable main saddle and a robust removable rear seat that can safely hold a passenger up to 165 pounds. Built on a powerful 750W motor, peaking at 1000W, and dual removable 48V batteries, it has the muscle to carry the extra weight without breaking a sweat, reaching speeds up to 31 miles per hour. Coupled with stable 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires, it's designed for shared joyrides on beach paths, park trails, or casual neighborhood cruising. It's the perfect electric bike for couples, parents with older kids, or anyone who wants to turn every errand into a shared moment. Number 9, Tamobyke T73 Pro Max. What if you could change your bike's personality with the click of a button? One moment, you're efficiently cruising to save battery, and the next, you unleash beast mode for an adrenaline-pumping climb. This bike puts that sci-fi switch right at your fingertips. The Tamobyke T73 Pro Max is a true engineering standout with its revolutionary switchable dual motor system. You can toggle between running a single 1500W motor for efficient, long-range travel or engage a second motor to combine for a staggering 3000W of peak power for conquering steep hills or chasing top speeds. This flexibility is unmatched. Paired with an intelligent dual battery system and a sophisticated 6-layer suspension setup, it's built to handle brutal off-road terrain while giving you complete control over your ride's intensity. It's for the rider who refuses to choose between endurance and extreme performance and wants one bike that masters both worlds. The Tamobyke doesn't ask you to adapt, it adapts to you. Number 8, the unstoppable workhorse, Jasion EB5 Max. This is the e-bike that laughs in the face of heavy loads and rough roads. The Jasion EB5 Max is the undisputed champion of utility, built from the ground up to carry you in anything you need to haul. With an incredible 400-pound maximum load capacity, it's in a league of its own. It comes ready for anything with full fenders, a bright headlight, and a sturdy rear rack, no extra purchases needed. Its 1500W peak motor and large 48V battery provide the torque to move all that weight, while the sturdy 26-inch by 4-inch fat tires offer stability and comfort on any surface, from city potholes to loose gravel. This bike isn't about flashy speed, it's about dependable, powerful utility. It's the perfect replacement for short car trips, the ultimate grocery getter, or the reliable steed for delivery workers. If your e-bike needs to earn its keep, the Jasion EB5 Max is ready to report for duty. Number 7, EUYBIKE Folding E-Bike. What if you could pack an 80-mile adventure into a closet? Imagine finishing a long commute, then with a few quick folds, tucking your entire bike neatly beside your desk or into a car trunk. This isn't just convenience, it's liberation from bulky storage problems. The EUYBIKE Folding E-Bike is the ultimate solution for riders with limited space, combining the utility of a fat tire commuter with brilliant portability. Its robust high-carbon steel frame supports a powerful 750W motor, peaking at 1000W, and a gigantic 48V 20Ah battery, which together can deliver up to an astonishing 80 miles of range in pedal assist mode. Yet, it cleverly folds down to a compact size, making it perfect for apartment dwellers, RV owners, or anyone who uses multimodal transport. It comes 90% pre-assembled and includes a front basket, merging sheer practicality with freedom. If your life demands a bike that can appear for an adventure and disappear just as easily, this folder is your magical, high-performance trick. Number 6, PUJH 5000W Dual Motor E-Bike. Have you ever looked at a near vertical hill or a deep sand pit and thought, I wish my bike could just not care? This bike doesn't just climb obstacles, it redefines what's possible on two wheels. The PUJH is less of a bicycle and more of a lightweight electric dirt bike, boasting a jaw-dropping dual motor setup with a combined peak output of 5,000 watts. This translates to all-wheel drive traction and enough raw torque to conquer terrain that would stop other e-bikes dead in their tracks, reaching speeds up to 45 miles per hour. It's built on a full suspension system with 26x 4.0-inch fat tires and dual hydraulic brakes, designed specifically for the most extreme off-road, hunting, or snow riding. With a high-capacity 60V battery offering up to 110 miles of range in 5 distinct working modes, including a dedicated 2-motor hill climbing mode, it gives you the controls of a supercar. For the rider who sees off-road as a starting point, not a limit, the PUJH is your declaration of independence from any path. Number 5. QNUT Victor e-bike. The QNUT Victor is engineered for riders who haven't forgotten the joy of a traditional bike. Its standout feature is a premium, full aluminum alloy frame that makes it remarkably light and agile, paired with a sophisticated 21-speed Shimano drivetrain for precise gear control. The 350W motor provides a gentle, natural assist that feels like a perpetual tailwind, perfect for extending your range up to 40 miles without overpowering the experience. It features a clear LCD display, front suspension, and dual disc brakes, all wrapped in a sleek, UL 2849 certified package. This bike is for the fitness enthusiast who wants optional help on hills, the commuter who values a nimble ride, or anyone who believes an e-bike should enhance the cycling experience, not replace it. The QNUT Victor proves that electric assistance can be elegant, subtle, and incredibly effective. Number 4. Vehicle. Movcan V30/EB60. The Movcan V30, and its more powerful EB60 sibling, is built like a tank for adventure, featuring a comprehensive 5-level full suspension system and wide, 20x 4-inch fat tires that eat up bumps for breakfast. It's powered by a robust 1000W motor, with a 2000W option on the EB60, and a UL-certified removable battery that can deliver up to 70 miles of exploration. Hydraulic disc brakes provide serious stopping power in all conditions, while a smart digital display and integrated safety lights keep you in control and visible. This is the do-anything e-bike for the rider who refuses to let weather or terrain dictate their plans. It's as capable on a grocery run as it is on a forest trail, offering a commanding, comfortable, and supremely confident ride that turns every outing into an expedition. Number 3. Fifth Wheel EB20 Mini e-bike. This isn't just a folding bike, it's a miniaturized marvel of urban engineering. With remarkably small 14-inch wheels and a frame that collapses in seconds, it redefines portability. You can store it in a closet, slide it under your bed, or take it with you on the bus without a second thought. But don't let the size fool you. It's powered by a peppy 650W peak motor that zips you up to 20 miles per hour, and its battery offers a solid 25-mile range for daily errands. It features dual disc brakes for safety, a bright headlight, and an adjustable seat to fit riders from 5 to 5.9 feet tall. With a payload capacity of 265 pounds, it's as sturdy as it is small. Number 2. QNUT Victor e-bike. Landing at number 2 is the bike for the rider who appreciates finesse as much as power, the QNUT Victor. In a sea of bulky, overpowered e-bikes, the Victor stands out by mastering the art of balance and integration. Its uniqueness isn't shouted through a speaker, it's felt in the ride. Built on a lightweight, full aluminum alloy frame, it sheds unnecessary weight to deliver a remarkably agile and responsive experience that heavier steel frame e-bikes simply can't match. This isn't just an electric motor bolted onto a bicycle, it's a thoughtfully engineered hybrid. The smooth 350W motor provides a gentle, natural boost, but it's paired with a precise 21-speed Shimano drivetrain, giving you the full, tactile control of a traditional mountain bike. Number 1. The Q22000W Fat Tire e-bike. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, our new number 1, the absolute powerhouse that redefines boundaries, the Q22000W Fat Tire e-bike. This is not just a bike, it's a statement of absolute capability. At its core is a revolutionary switchable motor system. Cruise efficiently on 1500W, or flip a switch to unleash the full, earth-moving 2000W of raw power for conquering 45-degree slopes. With a top speed of 37 miles per hour, it blurs the line between bicycle and motorcycle. Its colossal 52V40Ah battery offers a simply staggering potential range of up to 180 miles, making multi-day adventures a real possibility. It's built on massive 20-inch fat tires and a burly frame ready for mountains, sand, and snow. Whether you're an off-road hunter needing silent, relentless power, an adventurer who ventures beyond the last trail marker, or someone who simply demands the utmost performance, the Q20 is your tool. It doesn't adapt to the terrain, it dominates it. With its best-selling status on Amazon and UL 2849 certification, it brings unmatched power with proven reliability. This is the apex predator of the e-bike world, and it proudly earns our top spot as the most uniquely unstoppable machine you can find.